हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन इससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा अदानी पोर्ट्स एंड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइस, अदानी पोर्ट्स एंड स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन शेयर प्राइस, लाइव मार्केट प्राइस 605.35 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹750। 750 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। दिस इज अ टेक्निकल चार्ट। अदानी पोर्ट्स सेक्टर, शिपिंग इंडस्ट्री, पोर्ट ऑपरेटर। Insights, key metrics, returns. Adani Ports Sage share price insights play on eastern coast. With the takeover of KPCL and others, Adani Ports has become a major player on the eastern coast. There is enough scope to improve margins of these ports without any major capex. Okay. Key metrics: PE ratio 25.69, EPS/TTM 23.56, market capital 1,32,297 crore, sectoral market capital rank 1, PB ratio 3.36, dividend yield 0.83, face value 2, beta 1.46, VWAP 606.75, 52-week low high 987.85 and 395.10. Okay, Adani Ports Sage share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. Adani Ports Sage news and analysis. Adani Ports share analyze. Recommendation: strong buy. Financials. Adani Ports Sage financials, betting 3-year revenue CAGR. Company's annual revenue growth of 24.58% outperform its 3-year CAGR of 13.61%. Source: consolidated financials. Okay. MD&A ratios, cash flow, balance sheets, and income, profit and loss. Okay, quarterly annual December 2022 total income 5,051.17, total income growth minus 10.58, total expenses 2,973.30, total expenses growth minus 6.34, EBITDA 2,077.87, EBITDA growth minus 16.03, profit after tax PAT 1,315.54, PAT growth minus 21.58, EBITDA margin 41.14, net profit margin 26.04, basic EPS 6.09. Forecast, technicals, price analysis. 46% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis, 54% negative movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels: classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 601.88, ATR 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison: okay, this is a technical chart. Peer comparison: Adani Ports Sage and Gujarat Pipavav Stock returns versus Nifty 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of 76.75% as compared to Nifty 100, which gave a return of 50.97% as of last trading season. Ratios performs. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. DII 14.4%. Quarter on quarter change. Okay, category 31st December 2022, promoters 65.13, pledge 17.31, FII 13.77, DII 14.40, mutual fund 4.43 and others 6.70. Okay, mutual fund ownership. First, Kotak Equity Arbitrage Direct Growth Hybrid Arbitrage rating 4-star, amount invested 407.25, 1.91% annual plus 27.39 change month to month basis. Okay, then second, Kotak Balance Advantage Fund Hybrid Dynamic Asset Allocation rating 3-star, amount invested 389.26 crore and 2.7% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, HDFC Arbitrage Direct Growth Hybrid Arbitrage, amount invested 249.20 crore, 4.35% annual and minus 0.57% change month to month basis. Okay, F&O quote. Corporate action. Adani Ports dividend. Others. Okay, about the Adani Ports. Okay, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited, incorporated in the year 1998, is a large cap company having a market capital of rupees 1,30,061.97 crore. Operating in shipping sector, एक shipping company है ये. Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited key product revenue segment include income from port services, infrastructure, leasing income. Okay, other operating revenue for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 31st December 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 5,051.17 crore, down 10.58% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 5,648.91 crore and up 14.21% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 4,422.73 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 1,316.60 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Company had Deloitte Haskins and Sells LLP as its auditors as on 31st December 2022. The company has a total of 216.01 crore shares outstanding. Industry port operator Gautam S. Adani, Chairman and Managing Director. Karan Adani, full-time Director and CEO. Location: Adani Corporate House, Shantigram, near Vaishno Devi Circle, Ahmedabad, Gujarat 382421, India. Okay, so guys, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone share price, live market price 605.35 with a target price of रुपीज़ 750. 750 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. अदानी पोर्ट्स कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. ओके, सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.